Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to do demo trading on Bitget. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Bitget wallet, which of course I have done right here. Now, you're interested to know that Bitget ranks the largest platform for cryptocurrency copy trading and the third largest exchange for crypto derivatives. It provides a comprehensive range of crypto services, including crypto to crypto trading, spot trading, futures trading, margin trading, copy trading, AI trading bots, and Launchpad. So now that we know what Bitget is all about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to do demo trading in Bitget. Now, demo trading is not an actual trading. That's what it means. Now let's see that. So from this homepage, if you check the top of your screen, you're gonna find a couple tabs. There's the buy crypto, markets, trade, copy, boards, and web trade. Now go ahead and move your cursor to trade. Okay. Display is still loading up. Okay, so move your cursor to trade, and once you do that, you're going to find spot futures margin convert APIs, Bitget swap, and OTC market. So go ahead and click on futures. I can do demo trade on any of this. You can do demo trade on spot trading, but let's try to use futures. Okay, that's loading up. So as you can see, the trade is loading up. Trade is loading up. So from here, check the top of the screen. You're going to find spot trading, futures trading, trading bots, and you're going to find demo trading. Now, this is where we're headed. Now, click on demo trading. All right, so once you move your cursor to demo trading, you're going to find what looks like an extended menu. So waiting for that extended menu. So we're going to use USDT M futures demo. And then that's going to take us to the demo trading window. Doing that again. So we are now in this window for demo trading. All right, so this is it. So this is not the real trade. Okay, so you can head over here to, to move this, right? To set the quantity, to also set your position. After setting your position, you can even click on your trading profit and your stop loss to actually set this. Once you have set this, you can open long, you can open short, and just, start your trading if you want to start your trading. Okay, so you can even buy crypto, you can deposit and get your tests coins or your test wallets. Like, those coins are actually not real coins, but you can definitely find them in so that you can start trading using this option. So this is exactly where you can click on, or this is where exactly you can go to start your demo trading right here in Bitget. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.